We're off to Animal Kingdom now after a morning at Hollywood Studios. See you there. Hello, so we have made it to Animal Kingdom. This will be the last time we come here this year. See what we can do. I think we're going to go to Pizzafari. And then we get on some rides. Like Kilimanjaro safaris. Isn't she a beaut, Clark? We're now heading for lunch at Pizzafari. Just here at Pizzafari. Gonna get the order number. It's ready. Number 1. So Claire and I just had lunch at Pizzafari, just across the road there. I had the sausage and pepperoni pizza, and Claire had the pepperoni pizza. We both also had 3 slices of garlic bread as well, plus the Caesar salad. Very full. That was a good lunch though. But I think I'll be a while until I eat something else. Probably the same with Claire. And I'm not sure where else we're going at the moment. I think we'll maybe fancy the safaris. I might try Everest as well. I think it's just about 2:15 at the moment. And yeah, I don't know where, we'll just see where the day takes us, I guess. Just a quick visit to Animal Kingdom after being at Hollywood Studios this morning. We're now going to go back to the hotel and pack our bags, have a bit of rest, and then head to Epcot later on. So we'll see you later. Hello, we're all set for our last evening here in Florida at Walt Disney World. We've been here for 13 nights. This is the last night, the 14th night. We've also had another extra night over at SeaWorld. So when it comes to it, we're going to have 16 nights after having 2 nights there as well. Plan for tonight is to head to Epcot. Maybe, we're not sure, we'll maybe see a Luminous, we're not sure. We might just head back to the hotel. We've just started packing as well. Just about there. I think we're underweight as well, which is a good thing. Checkout tomorrow is at 11 o'clock, but our flight's not till I think it's 7 or 8 o'clock tomorrow night. So we have a bit of time tomorrow to do some more park stuff. But yeah, we're saying goodbye to Epcot tonight, so we'll see you there. Made it to Epcot. It's about 6:30, sun setting. Very busy. I think folk are here just for the fireworks show. Isn't she a beaut, Clark?
Got the right ticket.
Bubblegum wall. It's very loud here, just next to Kima Hall. But yeah, I don't know if I like this or not. It's very loud. I think it's just an excuse for people to maybe get drunk, have a bit of a party, but it's good for the kids.
Yeah.
Claire and I are just about to get some fish and chips from the Yorkshire County Fish Shop. Just over here. Orders ready to collect. That's us back to the hotel now. I think it's about 10:15 now. We went to Epcot. Didn't do too much there. We just sort of chilled out by near the Rose and Crown and had fish and chips from the quick service there. And then we stayed to watch Luminous. So we watched that from there. And then yeah, just made our way out of World Showcase. Tomorrow is our checkout day. So the checkout tomorrow is at 11 o'clock. We're going to try and leave a bit earlier than that, maybe by 7:30 or something. And then they'll hold the bags for us. We don't get picked up tomorrow night until about after 5 p.m. The flight from Orlando Airport to Edinburgh is at 10 p.m. So we have most of the day tomorrow to go to the parks. I think we're just going to go to Magic Kingdom tomorrow. So I think that's the plan. We'll try and get there for maybe 8 a.m. We'll see how it goes. And yeah, I don't think we've got too much else. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.